Welcome back, explorers. This is Joel Hunt, the Natural Explorer. Thanks for joining me today as I traveled all the way to Austin, Texas to visit the Lady Bird Johnson Wildflower Center. Now, this center is owned and operated by the University of Texas, Austin, and it features more than 900 species of native wildflowers representing all ecoregions of the state of Texas. So let's go inside and take a look around and see what they have to offer. Lady Bird Johnson was born and raised in East Texas. She grew up to be a leading conservationist and strongly believed that healthy landscapes have the power to transform lives. More than 200 laws related to the environment were passed during the presidency of her husband, Lyndon B. Johnson, many of which are credited to her, our environmental First Lady. She founded the Wildlife Center with actress Helen Hayes in 1982 to champion and conserve North American native plants. A wildflower, quite simply, is a flowering plant. These don't typically include grasses, trees, shrubs, or cacti. The word itself evokes feelings of freedom, uncultivated beauty, and wildness. They're grown from mountains to coasts to woodlands and prairies and support a vast community of insects and birds and other wildlife.
Are full.
This Texas mountain laurel smells like grape soda. Lady Bird Johnson has done more to beautify America than any other U.S. civilian. She's won awards from the President and from U.S. Congress, and this center is a tribute to her hard work. If you'd like to see more on-the-road episodes of The Natural Explorer, please let me know by writing in the comment box. Also, please like and subscribe to my channel, and until next time, get out and explore.
You said I should have tried harder. I said I didn't know what that meant. You said it is what it is, and you said it is.